Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to showcase the beautiful With Aloha subscription box from Simply Gilded. So this is the month of June, if I'm not mistaken, and with all of the situation in the world, I received this really late, but I still think it's worth to share with you, even if I'm very late for the game. So if you like my videos, please keep watching. Let's get this baby unboxed. Okay, so the first thing you see when you unbox your Simply Gilded subscription are, at least this one, are 3 items. So you have the beautiful pen that I am going to showcase right now. It's a rainbow sort of gradient pen with a silver hardware, and I believe Irene did something very similar in a previous occasion, but it had more pink on it. But this is a beautiful pen, and the silver hardware is absolutely amazing. You have her signature bow on the top cap, and I love it. The next thing that Irene brought this time around is this beautiful pad folio. Let me zoom you out. So it's this beautiful pad folio. It's really big. I believe you can fit an iPad of some sort inside. Not sure. Don't quote me on that. It has silver hardware and this beautiful rainbow pattern. So once you open it up, you have the pinkish, blush pink back inside, and then you get all of the goodies. So let me get these guys out first to show you the actual pad folio. So the pad folio has, zoom you out again, there we go. So it has this big pocket here at the front, a pocket here at the side, a secretarial here, and a little card slot here. And it closes like this. So the reason, and it has a pen loop and also a charm loop here at the bottom. Yep, a charm loop here at the bottom. So the reason I call it, they call it pad folio, it's because she also included on this baby here a notepad, and you can plan out your week on this pad folio. So all you have to do is, pretty much slide this in here. Let's do that one-handed. Okay, so you just slide this here and it's secure, and you can just plan your week. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever, however you want to plan. So if you have, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or however you want to plan it, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on and so forth. So this is a beautiful folio, and it's gradient, again the same print that you've seen on the background. And I'm actually just gonna leave this here because at some point I'm gonna use it. I don't know when, but I will. And then you can just close it and carry on the go. It's a beautiful purse kind of thing, and I think it's very nice. So that's the pad folio. And another item that came with it, so usually you have your menu card, and the menu card contains all of the items inside the box, and it's just a blank paper. I'm gonna show you the mystery item. The mystery item this time is Simply Gilded nail decals. So you can just put these on your nails and go with it, or alternatively, what they've done, and I thought it was the best idea ever because I don't use these nail decals. You can just trim this down, this part here, and you have a little decal for your pocket that way. So, or you can always put down a little I don't know, some sort of quote card here, and it would be really fine as well. The next item I want to show is the card that comes with it. So this is the Aloha Hawaii, and this is just beautiful. I think this is a beautiful postcard kind of situation, or you send someone that you love and appreciate some words of inspiration, and you know, very old-fashioned, but I really like this. Next item is the B6 size journaling notebook, and this I believe is a blank one, so I usually use these to make lists and stuff like that. So that's the pattern. I love the simple pattern. Next item is, I'm going to show the dashboard, or it's not a dashboard, is sort of a writing assistance kind of thing. I completely forgot the name. I do apologize for that. But you put this down on your paper, so on your folio, on your notepad, for example. So you just put it underneath the first page. If you don't like to write on the page to have marks on the following page, you just put it down here and you write down, and it's a very sturdy surface. So I really appreciate these. And the pattern is this beautiful rainbow pattern on the back and the blue gradient on the front, or however you want to use it. Next, I want to show the sticker kit, which is very bright and very summery. So you get the date foil icons, so the heart icons, and this is not foiled, but it's an inverted sort of sticker. You have the heart icons basics, number 1, so all of the little icons in a heart shaped. And then you have your smaller sheet with 1 full box, half boxes, some deco and some checklists. You have the bow seals. This bow seals got damaged, but you have your bow seals, and then you have the sticker sheet, which is always the same format. So you have your full boxes, some icons, checklists, bows, some headers, date covers, more headers, more full boxes, deco, washi strips, some flags with icons, and more full boxes. So that is the kit. And the bow seals, which are really pretty. It's a shame they were sort of damaged. And finally, the star of the show is the washi. So the washi is usually nowadays coming with this nice string pouch, and this one is Say with Aloha, which is the theme for the box this time. And I do subscribe for the add-on. So the add-on 5mm washi, 5mm washi that come with the kit. So I will show that last, but these are the beautiful washi that came this time. So you have this tie-dye situation. Again, I believe this is a, what's the name? Glitter washi, which I really wish she stopped doing because they are so annoying, but that's just my personal preference. You have your bow on this beautiful rainbow pattern. You have your blue with the gradient blue and green. You have your little turtles. Right. And I think this is also glitter. That's a shame. And then you have the 7mm and the 5mm. And finally, the add-on is these very, very bright colors. So let me open these up and swatch them for you. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first washi I am going to show is the bow in the 15mm, and it's this beautiful gradient rainbow. So it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna leave that in there. Then you have the blue and green, a very ocean vibe on this one. You have some little lines running across it, which is very nice. Sorry, let me just show like that. And you have that one here. Then you have the glitter washi, which is the bane of my existence. I would love this if it wasn't. See how it's just, I don't like the texture, I have to say. It's just, oh, yuck. It's a beautiful pattern, but the texture is just terrible. I really don't like it. I'm not even gonna roll that out. And unfortunately this time the turtles are also glitter, which makes me really sad because I love the little washi with the turtles. So yeah, I'm not happy. Oh god. So that's the pattern of the washi. Terrible. Yeah. And you have the two 5mm. So one is perforated. This is an inverted silver bow. Here you go. And you have the little waves in this really bubblegum pink color. This one is not perforated, I believe. Don't think so. No. And you have the waves there. She did something similar in a green on another box, if I'm not mistaken. But this is not foiled, but it's an inverted, it's a negative kind of situation going on. Now the 5mm add-on, you have this beautiful blue, which is not just blue, it's like a gradient kind of blue. Can you see that? Like it's lighter and then darker. It's just absolutely beautiful. I really love this one. It is not perforated. Then you have the same bubblegum pink with the heart pattern. There you go. And you have this really bright yellow with the inverted bows, again not foiled, and you can barely see the bows because of the yellow, and the bows are white. And that's a like neon yellow, neon pink and all of that. And then you have this nice vine and hearts and vine in 5mm in this beautiful green and silver foil. And that is the Simply Gilded with Aloha subscription from June 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, please let me know down in the box below, and the shop will be tagged on my description. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know, what do you think of glitter washi? Am I the only one that hates it? I hope I'm not alone. So let me know if I'm not alone or if I'm just crazy. Alright guys, stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.